Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. This video is about my self-given analysis of IBPS PO 2023. मेरा फोर्थ शिफ्ट का था. As usual, this year also the sequence was same. पहला इंग्लिश था, फिर क्वांट्स और रीजनिंग था. अब इंग्लिश के बारे में बोले तो सबसे पहले आरसी आया था 9 क्वेश्चंस. इट वॉज़ रिगार्डिंग सम मेंटल हेल्थ. कुछ तो था, मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं है. और उस पर 2 सिनोनिम्स और एक फिलर का क्वेश्चन पूछा था. जब भी आरसी आता है मैं स्किप कर लेती हूँ. और सिनोनिम्स में इस पर गैप वर्ड का पूछा था. दैट इज़ विच विल रिप्लेस एग्जैक्टली exact word in the passage, and options were aperture and interval. So it was thoda confusing. Next question was on so which of the following sentence is true as per the passage. So like that a question was there. So remaining questions were related to the passage and inference based questions भी पूछा था. The next was word swap. इसमें 5 questions थे. Easy था पर थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग था. और क्लोज टेस्ट में 5 क्वेश्चंस था एंड फ्रॉम ए टू एफ इट वाज देयर. और डबल फिलर्स 5 क्वेश्चंस था. और सेंटेंस रीअरेंजमेंट में एक्चुअली मेरे स्ट्रॉन्ग सेक्शन है, इसलिए मैंने सारा क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट की. पर इसमें टाइम ज़्यादा देने से मुझे आरसी के लिए टाइम नहीं बचा. सिर्फ मैंने सिनोनिम्स और फिलर वाला क्वेश्चन अटेंड किया. 5 एरर डिटेक्शन क्वेश्चन थे. मेरा इंग्लिश में अटेम्प्ट था 18/30. अब क्वांट की बात किए तो इसमें सबसे पहले मैं अप्रॉक्सीमेशन अटेंड की. 5 क्वेश्चंस, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस 5 क्वेश्चंस एंड डीआई इट वाज ऑन लाइन ग्राफ. And the data was regarding red pen and green pen and green pen. It was doable. I attended 3 questions and remaining 2 were calculative, and the questions were based on the percentage, ratio, proportion and averages. And the next day I was on actually it was tabular DI. They had given the male and female who are going to gym and the percentage of females who are going to gym. So I attended 3 questions out of 5 and the questions were based on percentage and ratio proportion. Next was a case-led DI. I didn't attended this, and remaining were the arithmetic questions that counts 10 questions. And the topics were profit loss, partnership, ages, mixture allocation, train, boat, and other concept I don't remember, like simple interest. So I attended only 3 questions from arithmetic side, and my overall attempts in this section is only 18 out of 30. So if we talk about reasoning, I came across the Chinese coding first. It was 5. It was of 5. And next was Silox questions. It was 3 to 4. And designation based puzzle 5 questions. And box based puzzle, it was regarding some person was placed something before and after, like that. Next was a parallel row based, so 14 questions sitting in 2 rows. Next puzzle was day based puzzle from Monday to Saturday plus 1 variable. That variable, that person belonged to this country, that is Canada, USA, so like that. It was given 5 questions and 1 meaningful word, but I got that word as bane. I don't know whether it is right or not. Next was word formation or word based, like as many as alphabets are there between the 6th and 7th letter, like that. It was 1 question and odd one out. Actually it was easy. So for example, ADF, JMO, PSU, you can understand the pattern by seeing this. Next question was regarding vowel and consonants. We have to change the vowels to the next letter and the consonant to the previous letter, and from that word we have to delete the repeated words, and have to write as many as letters between the sixth letter from the left and fifth letter from the right. So and remaining three questions, um, it was on blood relation. So my overall attempt in this section is 22 out of 35. If we talk about my total attempts, that is 58 out of 100. Hope this will help the other candidates who are going to give their exams on 30th September and 1st of October. Acha, I will share some of the tips or suggestions or think however you want. I know my attempts are not that good, but still I want to share the sequence of attending the questions, because पिछले बार मैंने भी ये गलती की थी, रॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस चूज़ करके मेरा अटेम्प्ट्स भी कम हुए थे, इसलिए आई डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन विथ यू आल्सो. सो आई एम शेयरिंग some of my tips for you. Okay, in English section, if you came across RC or parajumblans, so please don't attend it at the first, skip it. Next, you can attend word swap or double fillers or misspelled words, so they are easy, you can go for it. Next is sentence rearrangement, so it is easy one. If the sentences are short, you can attempt it. Next, you can attempt the close test. It will be easy actually. So this year they didn't ask that difficult vocabulary words, so you can do that. Error detection, at least 2 to 3 are doable questions, so you can go for it if you are good at it. So next, in the last, you can solve the RC questions, or if you don't have time, you can go for answering the antonyms or synonym wala questions, so that will fetch you 2 to 3 marks. So remaining, if you have time, you can read the whole RC and you can solve it. So the next section is Quant section. So in this section, however good you are, just first go for speed marcation, maybe approximations, quadratic equations and number series. At least 3 number series are solvable, and they may give simplification along with number series, or they give approximations and quadratic equations. So the next is you can go for DI. So first you have to read both the data and the questions also, then you can decide, then you should decide so which one you should solve and which one not. Okay. And here at least 3 to 5 are solvable, so think before you choose the DI. And in DI, don't rush to solve all the 5 questions in the DI. Just solve 3 questions, because the remaining 2 will be calculative. And this time actually one DI was so long, I thought it will be difficult, but it was easy one. So I was able to solve only 3 questions out of 5. In arithmetic, 10 questions were there. So out of 10, I was only able to solve 3 to 4 questions. Remaining, I didn't even read it. And the last one was Caslet. I didn't solve that. I only attempted the questions that I know. So in the Quant section, my overall attempt is 18 out of 35. In reasoning section, if you come across Chinese coding or blood relation, please don't do it at the first. Skip it, because it will seem easy, but the questions will be tricky. So you will stuck in between. So please don't attempt it at the first. Next, you can go for silogs, inequalities or odd one out. And next, go for the puzzles which you found easy. Next, go for miscellaneous questions, like then you can go for blood relation and Chinese coding. Then you still have time, you can go for the left out puzzles. Okay, in this section my overall attempt was only 22 out of 35, and my total attempts were 58 out of 100. That's it guys, thanks for watching.